Okay.
Hi, I'm Dr. Grenfield with the Balanced Spine, and I'm here today to tell you about our unique specialty that we practice within chiropractic and how it's very non-invasive, it's very gentle and corrective for the entire body and its function. So the technique that we practice is called NUCCA. It stands for National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association. And what we do is focus on the misalignments at the top of the spine in order to balance out the entire body. By correcting the top, the rest of the body is able to relax and return to normal function and restore any lost function occurred over time. One example of restored motion is a blood pressure study that showed that hypertensive patients benefited from an adjustment at the top of the spine by it lowering their blood pressure, the equivalent of 2 medications. This effect lasted for 8 weeks, which is amazing. So another unique thing that we work with our patients is how they've been eating, how they've been moving, and how they've been thinking. And part of the moving is offering them restorative exercises to retrain the body back towards balance, as well as finding time to rest. So after adjustments, patients come back to our resting room and relax for just a few minutes to allow the body to adapt and incorporate the adjustment. In a moment, you are going to watch a string of patient testimonials that will explain their experiences here and the results that they've seen with us. So I encourage you to sit back and relax, watch these testimonials, and then take one step further. Check us out on the web at thebalancedspine.com. In the end, if you're inspired, I would encourage you to give us a call at 425-437-9974, and I would love to do a free exam and consultation with you to see if I can help you and get you started today.